What's up everyone, Sambo here, welcome back to Semi-Vostok. Today we're going to be doing more of a let's play for once, because a lot of the time I'm just doing like speed builds and expanding the city, but let's actually manage it and like actually play the game a little bit. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing some industrial stuff. So this is one of the areas, the farmland area. I've got some stuff in here, but I want to get more things constructed, so I want more oil, and I don't know, we'll just go through and look at all the supply chain and like see how much money we can make and what we can make and things like that. So I think this area here is hang on a second, what's this doing here, excuse me? Okay, so we'll put that there out of the way. Now, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by this little guy. So this is the tree, the forestry. So if we look here, I usually don't go too far into it. Like all I've done is place down the stuff, the buildings, and I'm like, great, done. But I've never actually really looked at like constructing the unique factories and then actually making money. That's what I want to do today. So okay, we've got the trees, which is these ones here. So we've got alder, we've got, actually what's this one, we've got fields, that's a greenhouse, and then over here we've got the wood chip storage, we've got a biomass pellet plant, that's making paper. What is this one making? Oh, that's just storage, that's fine. And then this one is making paper, so these two are making paper. What's this one? A storage facility. That is for the workers, and that is the main building. What is this? That's making planted timber. So let's go here. So that's paper and planted. Is that planted timber? Okay, so then we need the unique building, which will give us, what's that say? Anything produced by a unique factory is a luxury product and can be sold in commercial zones. Cannot be imported, has to be produced locally, can be exported for money, that's what we want. Can be stored in warehouses. Oh, and then also, what's this? Oh, that's just a smaller sawdust. Okay, do I have this engineered wood plant? That's making more planks, so, oh, actually, that's not gonna fit. Engineered wood plant, and then what's this? The pulp mill, let me just place it down. Jesus! That's big. Okay, we definitely don't have that because of so that's also making paper, but I don't think we need that because this one's making paper and this one's making paper, so technically we don't need that, and it's probably just going to be an overload. We don't really need that much paper product, or maybe we do, we can export it. And then what was the other thing? The engineering, what are these? Small log yard. The engineering, do I have this? What is this? That makes planned timber as well. So which one was making? I'm sorry guys, this is like probably annoying. It's a lot to know. Like there's just so much stuff. You got all these different suppliers and things. So we can have that. I don't think we have this, do we? So we have that there. Planned timber, sawmill. Okay, and also just quickly, I know that some of the places don't have enough buyers. Before I started recording, it was like sometimes they had enough buyers, sometimes they didn't, so it kind of goes up and down, and same with all of the other areas as well, and that looks horrible. Let me flatten that out a bit. There we go. Oh, let's pretend we didn't see that. Okay, so it's saying it doesn't have resources, but I'm guessing the trucks will come and add stuff in. I might just allow them to do a U-turn here, because otherwise they have to go down here and turn around somewhere. So allow them to do a U-turn, and then also allow it for here and here, and we'll do it there and maybe there, even though we don't need it there, but also put it there anyway. Okay, now the next thing that, so after this is so we have these, so next we need to find one that makes diamonds. Is that a diamond? Or so I'm guessing it is down here. No, that's warehouses. Unique factories. Okay, furniture factory. Actually, we could do this one. Or do I have that over here? I have some stuff over here. Hang on, you guys. What do I have over here? So that's a warehouse. That is a food factory, and that's the bakery. Clothing factory. So what do we need for this? That one actually needs quite a lot of stuff. And that, what is this? Excuse me, what are you? What are you? We don't know. Okay, must be nothing important. Okay, these guys need water, by the way. There you go, you guys. So we can do this one, the furniture factory. Wood Vision is a furniture manufacturer known for its innovative design and distinctive style. Fantastic. The question is, where am I going to put it? Can I think I can put it in here. I think I can. It's just there, so it's not too far. I don't want it to be, you don't want all the stuff to be too far apart. I feel like that might just be a bit annoying. Can it fit? Ooh, can it? Yeah, I think so. It's on a bit of an angle. We'll put you down a bit so it's flat. And put you down as well. There we go. Okay, good. Good. Ah, okay. That's exciting. Exciting. Let me just fill in this little gap. Ugh, it's annoying me. There we go. So it's saying there's no supply, but planned timber. Let's just put that down a bit for now, because we don't want to use up all of our supply. Okay, we'll put it down to 50. So 50 is this point here. Great. Not operating, but we'll come back to that. So what else do we have that we can build? I put down this one, so the bakery and also the industrial. Okay, so we're not really there yet. This one, no, that is not for us. What is that? I don't know what the third one is. I can't move the mouse because it would disappear. This one, the third option. I'm not sure. That's what else? What else? What is this one? Clothing factory, petroleum refinery. Jesus, that's holy moly! Oh, modular house factory. The shipyard. Okay. For some reason I thought there's just going to be some kind of diamond thing, but oh, 84%. That's good. Okay, let's go check out the. We'll do the farmland. We'll come back to the forestry stuff. So the farming. Hiya, how are you? So we have this, and this. We have different fields. Now, flour mill. Actually, let's go and have a look. Right. That's a little warehouse. Well, it's actually a barn. Okay, so do we not have a flour mill? Well, have to definitely put one in. I'll just put it there, I suppose. Actually, you know what we'll do? We'll move this over like that, and then we'll just drag that up. Yes, it demolished that fence, but that's fine. And we'll just put it there. So it's near the main road, but it's not actually directly on that road. I can't believe I don't have this already. I probably have it somewhere, let's be honest. But it's like, does... Oh, hang on a second. Because we have these ones, but like, obviously these are not going to create flour, because all we need is flour. This one, we need to change to wheat, because wheat is flour, right? So it's not producing any flour yet. I guess because we just put it down. It's not producing any animal products because we don't actually have any, but it is still producing an output, which is good. I'm waiting for them to come and deliver it, but like, why are you not delivering? Why? You know what? I actually might change these ones, because having flour is more important than having apples, for example. I believe it's this one, the large crop, and then what was the other one? That one? No, that one's too big. This one. Must have been that one, was it? Okay, that should create a lot. Oh, just drag that into place a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's still a little bit. Oh. Might just overlap it a little bit. There we go. And then, just to like make it not look so obvious, we'll just put some random trees. There we go. So we got all of this wheat, we got some fruit over here, really not much farmland. And then over here, we're going to do another one, and probably not the best location, but oh well, this is, it's just an easy open area. It's a little bit hilly for my liking, so let's just actually flatten it out. I mean, we're not using this space anyway, so why not? We'll put that right back there like that, and then we'll blend it to disguise the steepness. There we go. Okay, good. So over this side, I'm just going to do maybe some more wheat, and then also some animal products. So we'll do some cows and stuff like that. Yeah, we'll just make it all one thing. So which one do I do? I go like that, don't I? And I just drag it out like that. Yes, good. Good. Let's go back into here. It was this one. We'll do some large crops. Large crop. We'll do a little road up the middle. I might do another large crop as well. Just do some more. Oh, that's too steep. Okay. That's alright. Do it like that as well. Oh, excuse me. Jesus, what is oh, that looks silly. Can I put it? Oh, yuck. Okay. That does not look good. At least these crops, they changed to the actual, what am I saying? The crops aren't just like a flat asset, they move depending on the shape of the terrain. So that looks good. And then we'll also, oh, hang on a second, what were the other things we need? We'll need a cattle shed, that is for sure. We might just shove you up here in the corner. Now, we need a milking parlor, of course, because we're gonna have cows, and a slaughterhouse. Oh my god, Jesus. That's really big. Okay, we might have to do another road over here, maybe. We'll do it like that in the middle. And what else do we have? The small silo grain. Yeah, that's right. We'll chuck in a couple of you guys. And there's bigger ones, right? Yes. Which goes there? Oh no, he's unhappy. Oh well, that's what you get. You're living in the country, that's what you get. Now, we also have some barns. Do we need barns? What's this? What's here? Can I place something down there? Oh, it's parking. Alright. That's fine. Okay, we'll put in some haters, the cows. That one's too big. I might have to do this one. Is this the only... That's the only one? Okay, is there anything else that we needed for over here? So we put in the flour mill, which is there. Cattle shed, which was that one. Yeah, I'm sure we put it all in. Okay, let's put in some actual cattle. You. And then just for fun, let's put in a couple of crops. Actually, we'll do the small ones. There we go. Yes. Can one fit in there? Maybe? Did that fit? It did not. Okay. Well, we shall make it fit. There we go. Now, so obviously a milking parlor, so we'll need cows here. We'll do cows. What's this one? Pigs, and then the smaller one can be some sheep. Right. Press play. I don't like how there's a weird gap between it all. Does not look right. So I might have to wait until those resources come in. I cheated a little bit and I put down more fertile land here underneath. I might just do it again. Come on. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Okay, they'll get there eventually. Now, there might be too much traffic coming through here. We'll just have to wait and see about that. But, so we have slaughterhouse, we have cattle shed, milking parlor, some silos. We have the flour mill. Is this working yet? What's going on? Is this actually properly in the district? Do I need to go like that more? Okay, we'll just let that run for a little while. So what are some things that we can build in here? No. Toy factory. Printing press. We're looking for something with... Hang on, what's that one? Is that us? I don't know what all the symbols mean. So that is petroleum and plastic coming from oil. So we are looking for crops and meat. I don't think we'll have space for the car factory, it's too big. Wasn't the bakery one? Bakery is probably... So they need... Yeah, so the bakery should be starting to function properly soon. It's over here somewhere. Where are you? So animal product, good. Oops, let's go over here, zoom in a bit more. Okay, so we have animal product coming in. Looks like it's full. Yeah, 14 ton. Crops, good. And we have some flour, down at 50%, so that's fine. Making pastries. Oh, we're making profit. Yes! Thank you. Was there anything else? Just need plastics for the food factory, so it's not running yet. This big guy, metals. Is metals ore? Is that ore? So this is ore. Let's have a look at ore. Ore. Excuse me. There we go. Okay, metals. Right. What do we have? So we already have a lot over here, actually. So we have the housing, the barracks. We have the fiberglass plant. So that's good. It's making ore. It's got the ore which goes to glass. So we have glass. Good. That's storage. What is this? This is also making glass. Great. This big boy making metal. So glass and metal is this one over here, right? That's what it sort of all is. So you guys are digging away or whatever you're doing. You're up here doing your thing. What is this? Underground storage facility. Okay. Right. Let's have a look at the district thingy. Elm mine. Oh yeah, I have all that on as well. So we are making metals. Great. Glass. Great. Are we making a profit? Upkeep 2,900. Profit 2,125. Not the best actually. And I have all this up high, so I do have a lot of mines. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4. Is this one? So 5. That's not one. Okay. Can I maybe slip in just a tiny little one down here? All mine. Just another little one. Just a nice little one that can slip in there. They can do their thing. Did these ones even move? I don't think they do. It's a small ore. An ore extraction site with basic equipment. Alright. Oops. Why are you on the road? Honestly though, this big thing here, that's intimidating. Like, Jesus. Jesus. Squishy, but I mean, so for here in particular, since we're at the end of like the whole city, there's honestly no traffic over here. Technically this is a way out. So if we go over here, and if I go into first person and zoom over, you can't really see, it's too far, but over there it actually does have an outside connection, but 0 cars use this. Oh look, there's actually one down there. That's surprising, but yeah, generally none of them use it, so we can get away with having all of this heavy industry right on the road. And same with the farming as well. Like, if this was like over here somewhere, I'm not going to put everything on the main roads, because that is just no. It's no, we don't want that. Now what else can we build down here? Was this one up here functioning? Are you functioning? Ooh, profit. Can we see the overall amount we're making? 12,000. So, okay, we need to do oil. So the forestry is not making any profit. Farming is... Oh wait, yes it is, sorry. This is the profit here. Okay, good. Income, expense. So 900, 1400, 1900 overall. 13... Oh, yes. You know what, you guys? Now I feel like making just one city that is really focused on industry and like how much industry money can I make and just like zone so many houses and just like keep pumping out all of these factories and oil and stuff. Oh, actually I might do that off camera just for fun. But that's good. So let's set up oil. So this map naturally doesn't really have much oil, so I placed it down myself, but just to show you guys, where is it? Yeah. So there's some oil like up here. Obviously I'm not going to build up here. Like this isn't city fix. Come on guys. I know if this was city fix, you guys would be like, oh yeah, we're going to build up here. Yeah, that's so cool. Great view. But no, not doing that. So I actually placed down a little bit over here. So this area is pretty much empty. We're close to the highway anyway, so we have good access. We can literally just continue this road on over to here. I don't know if you guys remember, but originally there was a road that continued on over in through here, and I left it there for ages, but then I deleted it because I didn't think I'd ever build anything up here. But you know what, here we are. So just so we can see a bit better, let's remove these trees. And I've also lowered the terrain down just a little bit, so it's not going to be up as high because this was like a huge big mountain up here. So we don't want it to look really gross. Oh, maybe I do want it to look gross, I don't know. But let's just bring this down. Actually, we can probably just do a small road like this. Looks a little bit funny how it goes from like a large road down to small, but we'll just go like that. And then we'll put you back onto the ground. So really, if you're wondering like what's the best way to lay out your roads for all of your industrial stuff, basically if it's on a main road or near a main road, just set it back a little bit from the main road, give it its own little road connection. Don't put everything right on the main road because obviously then everything's going to continuously disrupt the flow of the traffic. But if it's a really small street and there's really not much traffic, then of course you can put it on the main roads like I've done with the ore and the farming area. So I think that was one of the questions on the community tab, like how do you set it up properly. Okay, so it's so ugly, like the ground color is just so, but we have lots of, I just used the industrial road, so we have this one here, the oil drilling rigs, the small ones and the large ones. We also have, we need some power and water, but we have the large oils, and we have a crude oil storage cavern, we have a petrochemical plant, what's this one, waste oil refinery, and then we have the main building and the maintenance building, the barracks, we have the crude oil tank farm storage, and what's this, the naphtha cracker plant. Now I know there's another huge one down here somewhere, might be, yeah. Jesus, that is huge, like, yeah, I don't have space to put that in, unfortunately, which makes me like really want to do the whole huge industrial town just to see how much money I can really make, like do everything really hardcore. But yeah, I don't know, who knows if I'll actually do that. Now we need some power as well, so we'll just pop that down over here. Why is it still saying there's not enough raw material? Like there's literally so much. What is you doing? It's probably not the best location though. Like you drive past, like you see that and it's like, ugh, yuck. But what about if we're way down here? I suppose if you're down here, you don't really see it too much. What about if you're over in the downtown, like up high? No, you don't really see it either. It's not really that obvious because I've hidden it with lots of trees and stuff. So I'm just going to let it run for a while and then we'll see how much money or how much more money we make. So we're currently making... Did this change? Because we're making like 13,000. Okay, we'll come back and see how that's going in a few minutes. I also just plopped down this as well. Look at that. Oh my god. I wasn't planning on putting this, but oh well, here it is. The offshore oil drilling rig or platform. I wish it was out further. This seems a bit too close for me. It's swaying. Oh my god. Well, I suppose it does sway. How does it look though overall? Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Like, I like that this whole area, it's starting to look really like a big city. Like, there's a lot going on. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna just let it run. We'll come back and see how much extra money we are making. Okay, you guys, yeah, I don't know, it's not really working. I know what the issue is. So obviously it's minus $8,000 or sim money, and now I'm like thinking, when I looked at it before, was it also in minus? Like, I only just realized there's a little minus sign there. So when I was looking at it earlier, if it was on minus and I was like, oh, it's profit, yeah, just ignore that. I'm weird. But the issue is that we need more commercial. We need more buyers. So you'll see not enough buyers for products. Now, that's a pretty huge job to do. So I'm not going to do that all in this episode. Is there anything I can really see in here? Not really, I don't think. No. Okay, so maybe in the next episode, we'll have to do a whole lot of commercial area. We don't have any demand though, so I guess we'll have to also do residential. So that's going to be a lot of expanding because we'll have to do both. But that's alright. That is alright. We're still making a lot of profit. I remember, like, for so long you guys were like, oh, we shouldn't trust him, he's not making any money. But that was because I literally had every policy on. Like, I had so much on. Like, the city didn't have any taxes, or the taxes were as low as they could go. And now I've kind of adjusted everything to make it more realistic. So yeah, and also I have the real-time mod on, so I'm like, is that part of the reason why suddenly we're not making money, whereas before we were? Maybe if I put the production rate up higher? I don't know. See, now some of them have customers. Like, a lot of this stuff just disappeared. So are these ones down here also disappearing? Maybe if I go like this. Oh look, that's doing something. It's improved logistics, improved work safety supervision, advanced automation. Is that helping? Oh, maybe that's what we got to do. Oh, over here, I think it's already on. Improved work safety supervision. All right. Do we need more garbage? Garbage truck needs to come. Oops. Oh my god. Where's that? And over here, we'll also do. It's already on. Although this area is quite far, so I assume this area would be the last choice of jobs. I'd rather go somewhere else. Oh my god. Alright, I think what we might do is just add in a little bridge across here. We'll actually disconnect the road. We'll put that back for you guys there, and then we shall move. Excuse me, and then we'll move these. Oh my god, come on, Jesus. We'll move these over here. Okay, so then at least if it's all congested, they can be congested through the farm area. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna wrap up the episode here. We'll see how it is in the next episode if I remember. Oh, now we're making 10,000 or 12,000 profit. So I guess it really goes up and down, fluctuates, probably because of the real-time mod, different times. So maybe, I don't know, if they're not working, then it's not making any money. When they're working, it makes more money. I don't know, could be like that. Someone might let me know, so if you see that in the comments, there you go. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I had fun actually. It was nice to just play through and not do a serious build with serious music and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.